Assalamualaikum student. In this video I will take the Laplace transform of coskt. In my previous video I have taken the Laplace transform of sin kt. This is very similar to our previous one, so I will skip some steps and you can do very easily. So I will find the Laplace transform of coskt. So our f of s will be 0 to infinity. Here I will write f of t exponential minus t minus st and dt. Now I will put the value of f of t. Here is cos kt exponential minus st dt. So I will solve this integration by parts. So I will let this function as first function and this function as second function. So this is our second function, this is our first function. So I will take the integration of this. So when I will write minus st and take the integration 0 to infinity, here I will write cos kt, here I write minus derivative of exponential term minus st and integration of second cos k t so and I will write t. So you can let this as I, so I can write this integration is equal to I. So what is the integration of cos kt? Integration of cos kt will be sin kt, and here you will write exponential minus s t sin kt. This is integration of cos kt divided by k. We will apply limit 0 to infinity. Here when you take the derivative of exponential, minus s will be common, and when you take the integration of k cos kt, then 1 over k will be you can take 1 over k out of this, so our function, this integration will become plus s over k. Here I will write limit 0 to infinity exponential minus st and integration of cos is sin kt sin kt. Here I will write dt. So in the next step I will not solve the whole integration. You can see that when our limit is infinity, what happen? Our this function will give us exponential minus infinity, and this function will become 1 or 0. So whole integration will, sorry, this is not integration, this function will become 0 when I apply infinity. When I apply 0, then also sign will give us 0, so this will become 0. this will become s over k, 0 to infinity exponential minus st sine kt dt. Now this is your homework, that you have to solve this integration. As I have solved it, so I will write like answer here. This is I, this will become s over k. So this would become s over k square, sorry, s over k square. I will write the answer s over k square, s over k square. S over k square and minus s square divided by k square and I. So you can take this term into left hand side of the equation and take out the I common, 1 plus s square over k square is equal to s over k square. Now there are simple steps. I is equal to, this would become k square plus s square over k square. This is equal to s over k square get cancel out from both sides and you will left with a very simple algebraic equation. I would become s over k square plus s square. Now you can replace the value of I, and here is the Laplace transformation of cos kt exponential minus st dt is equal to s over k square plus s square. This is our final answer. So I will stop here, and in the next video I will solve another problem. So if you guys find this video helpful for you, then share it with your friends and support this channel.